Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start inside settings because Android exposes the hotspot band there. First, open Network and Internet and tap Hotspot and Tethering. Once done, select Wi-Fi hotspot or portable hotspot. That opens the hotspot configuration screen where Android stores the AP band control. You need this menu to pick 2, 4 or 5 GHz because the phone's Wi-Fi radio enforces compatibility. Make sure your phone's hotspot is off while changing the band so the selection applies correctly. Next, we'll change the band itself. Now you change the band. Locate AP band or frequency in that hotspot screen. Tap it and choose 2, 4 GHz for wider coverage or 5 GHz for higher throughput and less interference. The Y matters because devices and walls affect performance. Turn the portable hotspot off before you switch to force the radio to reinitialize on the new band, then enable the hotspot again. If you see an auto option, avoid it if you need a guaranteed band selection for connected devices. Finish by testing a client device. Connect and confirm the device lists the hotspot as 2, 4 or 5 GHz in its Wi-Fi details. If the AP band option is missing, make sure your Android is updated and check the vendor's custom settings. Some manufacturers hide it. If still unavailable, the only other routes require elevated access like root or a vendor diagnostic app, which have risks. If clients fail to connect, toggle Wi-Fi on both ends and reboot the phone to clear the radio state.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.